Alright, okay, Danish and Afian, we repeat the practical exam. So please spell the responsibility.
Responsibility.
Alright, let's skip to Danish. Danish, confidence,
Confidence. Confidence.
respect.
Respect.
What is respect?
Respect it's maybe in Indonesia it's menghormati, and respect is like using for mm, maybe for like what ya? Maybe like in Indonesia, maybe like in tongkrongan may there are many age like 9 years old maybe or 13 years old. When the 9 years old talk to 13 years old, uh they have to care about their manners, like they are have to call them name by brother or anything else for respecting them because they are older than us maybe.
Danish, what is
Please, please.
responsibility?
Responsibility is character that we must have for to do something, like responsibility is tanggung jawab, right? Tanggung jawab. Wait, tanggung jawab it's tanggung jawab. Aduh. Oh, if we get like assignment to work to do in the home, like homework from the teacher, so it's our responsibility to do that assignment. I think like that.
Alright, okay. Okay, please, honesty.
Honesty. So when we like there is the teacher giving us homework, so we must do honesty because yeah, don't cheating, and then uh we must honesty because if uh we not honest, the teacher will not get will not believe to us again.
Okay,
Okay.
so from Kaya, please give a short speech, at least 1 minute, about honesty, responsibility, and respect. This is talking about character and value, yeah?
Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, do you know when I doing a competition, I is already doing a competition like 3 times or 4 times. So in that all competition, I just win like maybe 2 or 1 competition. So uh, I have a real story about my competition. So the trick where how to winning the competition is the first. So you must honest. So if you not honest to with when you doing a competition, uh, you will be disqualified uh, into the that competition. So the judge will disqualificate you, and then me is always do respect to the other player in that competition. So when I doing become a winner, I will go to the second and third winner, and I will give him support again. So the function of that respect is make the enemy or make the other player is spirit again. And then so when I lose that maybe one or two competition, I must get my responsible for maybe I doing the mass learning again. And then when the second competition I must win. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I have mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Danish, please patience.
Patience,
Yes,
sabar,
patience and
sabar.
responsibility
Bisa.
and respect.
Responsibility, Mister. Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, let's say salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has been given us a message and blessing, so we can attend and get here with the good condition and happy situation. Okay, now I want to talk about our character and values. Firstly, responsibility is character or value that all people is need. So like responsibility is basic character or like, so all people is very needed this character, because all people is have uh, their responsibility. Like if in school we have a responsibility that if our stuff or our items is not tidy, so we need to tidy that. And then like if the teacher is didn't come, so there is leader that the responsibility is like to say to the schedule, pick a schedule today and then call the teacher, like that. Also in the school we need to respect our teacher, like when the teacher is tell something in the front and then we didn't hear or didn't see to the didn't look to the teacher, it will very disrespect, because later when we are in like 20 and then we want to tell something to another people, and then if the people who hear our child that not hear you, it will be disrespectful. Okay, next is again respect question. And then it's very um this character or value is very neat in Indonesia, and it is patience. So basically Indonesia people is very lazy to make a line, or like when we want to buy something or when we want take a food in canteen to breakfast or lunch, or yeah, for it passion character is very neat in our life. So maybe that's all from me. So if I have a mistake, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Alvian, now you talk about respect, confidence, and responsibility.
Ya, oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so my name is Alfian Zikri Ramadan. You can call me Alfian. I'm from 9th grade, especially 9C. Okay, so in this part, I will tell you about my best friend at my home. His name is Zahid. he live in Cikarang, nearby my house, and usually I like to play with him because he has good character. So yeah, because of that, I like playing with them, and I comfy with my group because there are him in the group. Okay, maybe I will tell you about his character. The first character is he he always respect to the elders. I will tell you about the background first. So my group in my house, the group, there are many peoples there, and the age is not same. Like they are 14 years old, and then 17 years old, and yeah, I play with them. So when Zahid is talking to the elders in my group, he always said a good words, because when we are say bad words in front of the elders, it's not respect to them. So when and one again, when we are talking to the elders, we have to say his name with brothers. We cannot say it by his name for respecting them. And then the second is he always confidence when we are go to Indomaret, because I'm shy to talk with the cashier. I said to him, Zahid, could you please pay this, and I will give you the money, and I will give you this item. You pay this, because I shy to talk to the cashier. And then yeah, he want to talk cashier. And then the last is um responsibility. Yeah, when we face the responsibility, like in at night at itikaf, when we are riding with my friends and my bensin bensin with my bensin fuel. When my fuel is so low, my friends in Zahid said like to me, because I'm is the driver and he's the passenger, and he told to me, Fian, maybe I will pay the fuel for you. And then yeah, that is the responsibility. He not just being a passenger, but he has contribution for the riding. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I had some mistake. That's what I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.